Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shadi, and I'm a life transformation coach who has managed to transform my own life from lower than rock bottom to my dream life in less than 1 year. And I'm here on this channel to teach you to do the same. Transform your life while you're having fun using my unique and amazing methods. If you like to do this, if you're planning to transform your life soon, fast and easy, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, press the like button and share it with your friends and loved ones. Today we're here to talk about how to do the one thing that blocks every single human being from achieving their dream life at some points in their lives. And that is the limited beliefs, the negative thoughts, the negative mindsets, and all the things that comes to our mind from the unpleasant experiences from our past, which blocks us to achieve our dream life in the future. If we let our brain wander around and do whatever that it wants to do, all that it does is that it grabs all the negative energies from the past, it absorbs them into the present moment, so it takes us out of the present moment, and it destroys our future. It attracts all the things that we don't want to have in our future. So today we're here to talk about 5 easy steps that are going to help you achieve your dream life without letting your brain block you from that amazing experience you can have in this world. So the 5 steps I'm going to talk about today are: choose your next thought, let the funny name out of the door, mind sharpening, stick burning, happy sound, masculine and feminine journaling. These are the 5 steps that you can do to control your mind so that it doesn't play that negative thought games with you anymore. If you really want to get control over your mind, and if you really want to master the art of mind control, then watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip anything, because this is going to change your life forever. The first magical method that I'm going to talk to you about is a method which I learned from Eckhart Tolle in the book New Earth, which is called Choose Your Next Thought. This method has changed my life. So if you try to do it from today, and if you keep doing it consistently, your mind is going to be programmed to do it for you. You don't even have to think about it anymore. The way that this method works is that you are going to be aware of all the negative thoughts that crosses your mind. So for example, you're sitting in your living room, you're very excited about a venture that you're going to start in your life, maybe a business, maybe something that you want to study, and all of a sudden a negative thought comes to your mind and starts making you believe that you cannot do it because in the past you couldn't do it. Or maybe you start doing some manifestation methods, you're going to start hearing some affirmations, you promise yourself that I'm going to use affirmations every day, I want to change my life. And as soon as you start using the affirmations, your mind is going to attack you and it's going to tell you that you can't do it. Remember, 2 years ago you tried to do it and you couldn't. Last year you tried to do it and you couldn't. And it's going to try to get you out of the right path in your life. Right then, you want to be aware of all the things your mind is bringing for you, which is negative, and you want to stop it from happening. So you want to choose your next thought. You want to be aware, very intentionally, set your intention and choose the next thought as the best version of you. So you know what the best version of you looks like. You know what your dream life is. You know exactly what you want to achieve. Whenever your mind tries to tell you otherwise, you want to block the mind, stop it from thinking negative, and start the next thought as you wish to think about. So for example, if I'm sitting here and my mind is telling me, Shadi, you can't do what you're planning to do, you can't achieve that big goal in your life, what I do automatically is that I'm going to say, the best version of me already achieved that goal. I am that person who I want to be. And then I start feeling good as if I already achieved my goal. I start feeling how it feels as the best version of me. I start bringing that emotion within me instead of letting those negative emotions affect me. At first, it might feel fake. It might feel weird to you. It might feel funny to you. It might feel unreal to you. The negative thoughts might feel more real and more realistic to you. It's totally normal. Just keep doing it. It's going to be better. It's going to get better. The second practice is to name your negative thought. You want to pick a funny name for your negative thought. You want to turn that negative emotion into a funny emotion for your brain. So, for example, if your brain gives you a negative thought, whenever your brain triggers that negativity within you, you want to call it a funny name. That could be any crazy funny name that could make you laugh. I'm not going to say what my funny name is for my thought, but it is something in Persian, so I can't really translate it here in English, but it's a very weird one if I translate it. But it's very funny. So when I think about it, it really makes me laugh. So you want to think of that weird negative thought of yours as a funny individual who comes in your mind and tries to ruin your day, but then you catch it and you throw it out of the door. Now, you want to do this very, very realistic. You actually want to open the door and throw out that person, that funny name who is trying to trigger your negative thought. So, whenever you feel like something negative is really bothering you, you want to start laughing and smiling, because laughing and smiling will bring a lot of good emotions into your brain, and it's going to help you do what you want to do at this point. So let's say the funny name is Long Nose Jack. You're going to call it and say, "Hey, Long Nose Jack, you're not going to serve me. You're not going to be here any longer. I know you came here to destroy my day. You can't do it." And then you're going to put a figure with your hand as if you're holding and collecting all the negative thoughts. The long nosed Jack is now in your hand. The negative thoughts are in your hand. You collect them, you hold it, and you say, "You can't do anything to destroy my day, long nosed Jack. I'm going to throw you out of my house." You open the door and you throw this out of your house and you close your door. I know this might sound funny and crazy, but this is a symbolic way of transforming your energies around you, and it helps, it works immediately without you even noticing it. So, as soon as you start choosing your next thought and using the funny name and throwing the funny name out of the door, you're gonna feel the difference between the past and negative thoughts and how they affected you, and the present moment and how they can no longer affect you. Now, let's talk about our third method, which is called mind sharpening, stick burning. Now, the one thing that can make a huge difference in your state of mind, and it could bring a lot of creativity out in your mind to the surface, and it could get rid of all the negative energies, is the smell of burned cinnamon stick. This does magic. And if you have never tried it, try it, because it's going to change your life. Whenever you feel like your mind is filled with negative thoughts and you can't do anything about it, obviously, first you're going to try to do the first two methods, and next, you're going to burn one cinnamon stick. That's simple and easy. This is going to help your mind get creative. It's going to sharpen your mind. It activates a hormone in your mind that brings a lot of creativity and happiness to the surface. And that's what you need to get rid of all the negative thoughts. The smoke that comes out of this magical stick gives you all that you need to have. So always keep cinnamon stick handy and a lighter whenever you feel like, oh my God, I love this smell. Whenever you feel like your mind is distracting you and it doesn't let you go through the day with the power and energy that you need, use this. Before I talk about number 4, while I'm burning my cinnamon stick here, I'm going to tell you another trick about achieving all your dreams. And that is all the magical methods that I personally used in my own life. I gathered everything in the form of video and audio and PDFs and all that, and I put them all in a portal online. It's called DIY Your Happy Life online course that gives you access to every secret that I use in my life, which are unique. No one else has ever used those secrets. It's only mine. And it has changed my life. And it has changed a lot of other people's life who has ever worked with me. So if you want to know more about DIY Your Happy Life online course, which gives you a lifetime access for the rest of your life, and for whoever joins, I become their lifetime private personal coach. So you can go ahead, find the link in the description, check it out, see what it is, how it works. Also, there is a free webinar. It's free. The link is in the description. Watch the free webinar. It tells you a lot about all my secrets and all I do to be the best version of myself, and how I achieved my dream life fast and easy Today, I live with my dream partner. I'm pregnant with my first baby. I'm working in my dream career. I'm making as much money as I always wanted to make, and everything is beautiful. And I keep manifesting everything that I want to manifest every single day. If you want to know the secret, the link of the free webinar is in the description below this video. Watch it and learn it for yourself. Number 4 is happy sounds. If you want to reprogram your mind, if you want to make sure your mind does not wander around in negativity and crazy thoughts that doesn't serve you and change your mood to negative, happy sounds, happy musics, happy vibes are the things that you need to have in your life. Pick one or two or three musics that can help your soul nourish. That could be a happy song in your language, like a music. That could be a sound bath therapy video on YouTube. That could be a mantra video that you like to listen to. So choose your happy vibe, energy, musics, and sounds and listen to them every single day. Whenever you feel like your mind is playing that negativity game with you, the first thing you need to do, play that music for yourself. And number 5, which is the most important one. I always leave the best for the last because I know that's very exciting. That is called color journaling. Why do we do color journaling? Because we want to bring out the masculine and feminine power within ourselves and connect it easier to the masculine and feminine power of the universe. Some people call this beautiful masculine feminine energy god and goddess. Some people call it masculine feminine energy. Doesn't matter. This does exist in this world and you want to activate it within you. So if you are into journaling, and if you do journal, I do have a lot of videos in my past videos which shows you how to do journaling in magical ways. And there are so many even more powerful journaling methods that are like beyond this world and it can help you immediately achieve your dream life. I shared all those secrets and methods in the DIY Your Happy Life online course, link in the description. But for now, if you do any type of journaling, if you are into doing journalings, watch my previous videos. I'm gonna put the link up here. It's gonna come. This is a very powerful type of journaling. You can do this one with the same method that I'm just gonna tell you now. Mix them, combine them together, and it's gonna bring a lot of power in your life. Any type of journaling that you connect with, do it with the color method. You're gonna pick two colors, and those are warm and cold colors. Cold color, something like blue or green, which represents the masculine energy of your life. The warm color could be pink, red, or orange, which represents the feminine energy of your life. You want to journal using these two colors. It doesn't matter how many lines or words you write with each color, but make sure each day when you're doing your journaling, you use both feminine and masculine colors because that's going to bring a lot of power in your journaling. That's going to bring a lot of power in your mind control system. You don't see the effect happening, but you feel it because it's happening in your energy frequencies around you. These are the 5 steps that could change your life forever. Again, if you want to learn more secrets, watch my free webinar linked in the description below, and you're going to learn a lot more secrets about the things that I do to change my life and live my dream life today, as you can see. If you want to be closer friends to me, I love to be friends with you. Follow me on my Instagram. I love to see you there. And again, if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to share it with your loved ones because that's going to create good karma for you and bring a lot of positivity for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I love to have you in my tribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to burn your cinnamon stick. This is going to change your life. I love you. I'm rooting for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you next week. Goodbye.